Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to remove anything in Photoshop. So I have this image over here with bunch of stationery items and I would like to remove some of them from the image. For example, I have this calculator over here. What if I want to keep the rest of the image the way it is and just remove this? So in the previous tutorials we used a bunch of selection tools, but this time we are going to use another one, and that is called the lasso tool. So using the lasso tool, you can make a selection of anything by freely drawing, like something like this. So this is a selection now. Obviously this is not very good for making exact selections, but it comes in really handy if you want to make a rough selection. So if you want to deselect something, simply press Ctrl or Command D. D for donkey. So let's just say I want to remove this calculator. First of all, I will duplicate my layer. Simply press Ctrl J on the keyboard, J for Joker. The only reason why I duplicated it so that I would have the original image. After that, using the lasso tool, I will make a rough selection around the image. Obviously it doesn't have to be perfect, but make sure that you make the selection around everything. Like if it has a little bit of shadows, you go around it. After that, simply right click on it, fill, and you might remember content aware from the tutorial in which we learned how to straighten images. So it is basically the same concept. Content aware is Photoshop's AI feature, basically artificial intelligence. So I made this selection and after that I will fill it with content aware. So basically I'm telling Photoshop that I want to remove this object. So I will simply hit OK. Photoshop will analyze this and just like that the calculator is gone. I will press Ctrl D on the keyboard. So what Photoshop basically did is calculated the area around it and see what should be inside this area. Similarly, if I want to, let's just say, remove this sharpener, I will make a rough selection. Just click on it, fill and content aware and just hit OK. And the sharpener is gone. But this can cause problems if you try to remove things which are very close to each other. For example, if I just zoom in over here and say I want to remove this or this, as you can see that all three of these things are almost connected together, like they are very close to each other. And if I try to remove just one of them, for example, if I want to remove this clip, I will try to make a selection of it, and obviously I will have to go above the pen. And now when I will hit fill and content aware, it's all messed up. Like Photoshop cannot understand what's going on over here. Let's press Ctrl Z, deselect it with Ctrl D. So if I look over here, this clip is quite far away from this notebook, and if I try to make a selection of it away from the shadows and right click and fill, okay. So Photoshop have removed this quite well, but as you can see that there were shadows over here and this was very close to the shadows and Photoshop couldn't analyze it properly, and that is why all of this area is messed up. So whenever you are using content aware, make sure that there is a lot of free space around the area. Like I can easily remove this, just right click, fill and content aware, and just like that it is gone. So if you want to see before and after, this was the before and this is after. Let's try it on an image with a person in it. So I will try to make a rough selection. Just go around the person. Just make a rough selection. And make sure that you go between the legs like this too, so that we would be able to tell Photoshop that this is the area which we don't want. So just right click on it, fill and content aware. So as you can see that Photoshop did a really good job, but there is this small area which it messed up. But so basically this is how you can remove anything in Photoshop, and I will see you guys in the next class. Hello there. So the video you just watched is actually a free part of my full Photoshop course. So if you want to take my full Photoshop course and follow along with the task, you can click on the card at the right top somewhere over here, or you could also check it out in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.